How many of you have experienced sabotage or your results going up and down? The reason why is because of your identity, the image that you have in your own mind of yourself. You'll never outperform the picture, the way you see yourself in your own mind. This is huge. I used to think that I would have one good month and one bad month. And the reason was I wasn't working hard enough on the months my sales would go down. The truth is, what is at the root cause of your results is the image you have of you in your mind. This has been programmed into you. It's part of your programming, your paradigm that you receive between the ages of 0 and 7. It is super important for you to understand this so that you understand that you can change your identity. By changing your identity, by upgrading your identity, you upgrade your life. Now, over the past few years, I have dove deep into this subject for myself, and I've created a process that I have taken myself through and my clients, and it works every single time. My clients have gone from earning thousands, a few thousands a month, like 2,000 to 20,000 a month, to beyond, to create multi-million-dollar businesses because they claimed their truth of who they are. They've claimed their millionaire identity. Through this work, our clients have transformed their marriages, their relationships with their kids, because they've embodied a new identity and started to see themselves differently in their own mind. Now, in Reclamation, this is our signature program that will teach you through this. I want to just share what we're actually going to be doing over the next 3 months as we dive deep into self-image and identity work. This work will have you collapse time. I'll have you go into the quantum field to meet you 10 years from now, 20 years from now, when you're living your best life. I'm going to actually have you collapse time. What if it doesn't need to take 10 years for you to achieve this life that you dream of? So I'll have you connect to this version of yourself and actually create her, write her, and decide who you are with this goal achieved. All the while, you'll honor your past. Okay, you're going to then look at scenarios of where this identity, like where you wear the hats, the identity hats. And this is all part of self-image work. And I'll have you embody this version of you by using the actor's technique. Many of you may not know that my husband is an actor, and he has taught me so much about what it looks like to embody your future self. This is part of the process that is unique to me. I'll bring this to the table and show you step by step how to embody this future version of you. Then, as you do this and as you go out and act in alignment with your future self now, that is when fears come to the table, things that you have to heal, release, and let go. I'll show you how to do just that. They're coming to the surface because it's time for you to heal them. And then from there, I'll show you how to practice and be this character now over and over and over through a decision. And we'll do it as a group. We'll celebrate you, we'll honor you, and we'll be alongside you step by step as you go through the Reclamation program, a deep dive into self-image and identity to live your best life. We'll see you there.